Hey, welcome to Infinity Code. I'm Will. A lot of tutorials out there about how to use Next.js 14 server actions, particularly with forms. A lot of them are pretty generic, and I ran into a situation where I needed to use an ID to call a custom method for my backend. So I'm going to teach you that now using Next.js 14. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I have an app here that alerts members of my team when there's some type of extraordinary events. In this situation, coffee shortage in Georgia, that would be terrible. But imagine that there is some type of coffee shortage in Georgia, and each time I make an update to this event, an event history gets logged into the database as a separate record. So what I need to be able to do is to retrieve from this event history URL the particular histories that are associated with this event. And when I click on See Event History, I need to be able to use those records and display. So the first thing we're going to do to tackle this situation is create an actions.ts file in our app directory. I need to put the use server directive at the top. I changed the event history URL to an event with an ID of 2 just for simplicity's sake and demo purposes. Of course, you would need the string interpolation on a real life app. So here, what we're going to do is fetch event history by ID, which I will await the fetch from the event history URL. And then I will event history by ID data will be fetch event history by ID .json. I will return event history by ID data. And here I'll catch any errors. Beautiful. The parameter will be taken from the params object that I defined at the top of this component. I'm going to call that res, and here is where I await the get event history by ID. Then I can set event history with the res that we have been waiting for. We will call fetch event history. Now, of course, with this dependency array, it runs only once upon load. Let's refresh this. Beautiful. We have successfully called a custom method using Next.js server actions. Thank you. I'm Will with Infinity Code. Had a beautiful day.